A two-day celebration of Northeast Indian culture attracted nearly 1,000 visitors to Jalandhar's Eastwood village last weekend, showcasing traditional performances, cuisine and crafts from all 8 northeastern states. The Northeast Festa, now in its 5th year, featured traditional dance performances, folk music and an ethnic fashion show highlighting the region's diverse cultural heritage. Local food stalls serve authentic dishes from states including Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Major Duzu Kiso of the Army, Postal Service and IAS officer Dr. Himanshu Agrawal inaugurated the festival. Agrawal emphasized the district administration's commitment to supporting Northeast students and promoting cultural actions in Punjab. Latifar Sayam, convener of Northeast Festa 2024, extended heartfelt thanks to all partnership associations and student bodies representing the 8 northeastern states in Punjab. NESO's president Himam Debharma praised the growing participations from both northeastern and local communities. The event, organized by Northeast Students Organization Jalandhar NESOS and produced by the Startup Community Total, included handicraft exhibitions and interactive sessions. Senior officials from Lovely Professional University and Indian Oil Corporation attended the second day of the celebration. Visitors experienced traditional performances from Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Sikkim and Tripura, while sustainable handicrafts and regional artifacts were displayed throughout the venue.